everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I have another planner subscription box unboxing. Now this is the other company that I subscribe to as far as a planner subscription, but unfortunately this is the second last kit that they will be doing as a monthly subscription kit. So there's this kit and there's one more that's coming, and then the next one that's coming is the last of their monthly subscription kits. I think they were doing it for a little while, but I think their main focus is on planner stickers. So they want to devote a lot more time to producing planner stickers. But yeah, it's not to say that they might not come up with a couple of seasonal boxes throughout the year. But yeah, as far as a monthly subscription goes, they're not going to be doing those. But I just thought I'd share it with you anyway, because this is another Australian company, the GP Studio, and to me it's a fantastic value box. Okay, so this box is only $35.95 plus $7.95 postage. So yeah, this one's quite a little bit cheaper than the other one, and I think you just get an amazing amount of stuff in here as well. So I'm really disappointed actually that these guys are no longer doing the boxes. I guess I just jumped on this bandwagon a little bit too late, but I'm happy to receive the ones that I did get. And yeah, hopefully I'll be showing you guys how I use them in the not too distant future. So let's open this little guy up and see what we got. So this is the box. It comes nicely wrapped with a sticker on top, and this is how it looks in the box. So you get quite a bit of stuff in here, so I'll take it all out and we'll go through it like I did the other ones. So just right off the bat, I'll just say that this is typically not like one of my favorite color schemes, but I just love the fact of having a whole set of stuff that's coordinating. So when I do a page or a layout in my planner, I can use all of this stuff and know that it will coordinate together. I'm not typically a green sort of person, like it's not really my thing, but I can definitely see the way they've paired it off with blues and purples that yeah, it'll actually look quite nice in your planner. So let's see what we get to start with. We'll move all this stuff out the way so it's not too distracting, and we'll start with the papers, because these are all the coordinating papers that you get, and everything's always nicely packaged together, which is what I like. So we get, these are A4 size papers. Oh wow, that's pretty. Oh wow, I like that. Oh, that's really nice. So you get 2 of each paper pattern. So on this side is your green and gold pattern, and then on the back is this gorgeous looking snippets of landscapes in the pinks and purples and blues, which is really, really pretty. So you get 2 of those, again, on the back. This one's really nice too. You get 2 of this design, and it's got some gold foiling on there, as you can see. And then on the back is, so your blues and greys with a bit of gold. So 2 of those. And then this one's really nice. I love this one. So you've got like a gradient effect with your pinky purple, and that's got some gold compasses on there, which are quite reflective on the camera. And then on the back of that is this gorgeous, that almost looks like one of those crystal rocks, like they slice open with all the colors in. So that's really, really pretty. I like that. So 2 of those. Then you also get a sheet of vellum, which is like a see-through type paper. So you can sort of see how you can see through it. And that's like, I would describe it as like a leopard print, I guess, on the top there. And then you get a sheet of acetate, which is like a clear plastic sheet. And to me, that looks like it's a map with all like roads and that sort of thing on it in gold. So that's really quite pretty. And these acetate sheets, a lot of people use as their dashboards on their planners. Now, dashboard is usually like the front page of your planner, and that they usually use something plasticky like this to help protect the first page, because often the first page will rip because it's sort of getting used the most. But when you have a sort of a heavier plastic cover or a cardboard cover as your front page, it tends to help protect your first page of your planner. So that's quite nice. So they're the papers, which I really, really like. You also get this little pouch, and let me just open this guy up. Now this is not necessarily my taste, like I'm not really into the goldy sort of glittery stuff like this, but I can see it would come in handy for, obviously the glitter's not inside, it's within the plastic, but yeah, I mean it's just a handy pouch. You could put any stickers or some of your pens, whatever you want in there basically. So that's like a nice plastic pouch. And again with the gold theme. You also get a packet of to-do, like a to-do list. Not sure if this is a sticky note or just like a to-do list pad. Let's open it up. No, just a notepad. So this is like a little to-do list pad, and this you could also just tear off and put a clip inside your planner as well as like a daily to-do, and that's coordinating with the gold as well. Next we have this little packet of quote cards. Inside here, your backing paper you can also use as a decorative card in your planner. And the quote cards we've got in this one is, live your life by a compass, not a clock. Oh, darling, let's be adventurous. There's no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this. Make your dreams happen. I really like that one. You have to get lost before you find yourself. And wherever you go, go with all your heart. So they're just like nice little quote cards you can include in your planner, and I really, really like those. They're really nice. Next, we have a packet of sticky notes. So this is your sticky note pad, again coordinating with the green and the gold, and those are sticky notes. I won't bother opening those. Next, we have this little cute little binder book, which I think you can use to store your stickers in. It's quite a cute little size. I'd say like maybe a passport size. I'm not familiar with the traveler's notebook sizes, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I assume roughly a passport size. So it's like a vinyl sort of cover, and then inside you've got plastic pouches where you can put your sticker sheets or the little cards, anything like that. Even store your sticky notes and your quote cards and the stickers belonging to this pack all in here, or whatever you want really. So that's quite a nice little, what do you call those, little binder things? Next we have these, they call them die cuts. So they're basically little cardboard or paper cutouts that you can also use in your planner to decorate the pages. So I'll lay them all out. Hard for the camera to focus on it. Let's try, that might be easier. So that's a clear one, and then that one's a clear one, a world globe, and then that one's a clear one, passport, you can see through, and then a compass, again it's a clear one. So those are all your little die cuts, which are gorgeous. And again, this makes it really easy. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of green, but the fact that the purples and the blues and the pinks are together with the green, it, like, for me, it will help me decorate with the green. So I really like that. And again, the little cardboard backing sheet that they come in can also be used in your journal as well, or in your planner as well. Then we have a roll of washi tape, which I don't know if it's coming off on camera true to color, but it's a very dark green with gold swirls on it. So there, that's more true to the color. A nice bottle green with some gold swirls. We also get a pen included, which is quite a nice fancy looking pen with a jewel on the top. It's quite a skinny pen, which I'm not really comfortable writing with a skinny pen, but it is very, very pretty, and it goes very nicely with this planner set. So that's the pen. And last but not least, I'll save the best for last because I'm obsessed with stickers, is your sticker pack. So the stickers we get with this month's pack, this one first. These are like your little to-do ticker boxes and some trackers. Then we've got this one, which are your box sticker sheet. And we got this one with more to do and today, and some flags at the bottom here. And then you've got a few Monday through to Sunday tabs, as well as some flag boxes and a couple of little icons as well. And these are a glossy sheet. Some more little to-do boxes. Then you've got your sheet with all your little, pretty much similar to your die cuts. You've got a sticker version of those. And more little icons here. And then you've got your divider tabs. So those you'd fold over your page to create a tab. And then more divider tabs, as well as your header tabs, basically. And yeah, so these little sticker sheets, if that's what you want to do, will fit perfectly within your little album here. So if you want to store your sticker sheets like that with all your set, they're easily on display and protected. I'm really, really impressed with this kit, and really, really disappointed that they're no longer going to be doing any more monthly subscription boxes. Yeah, so just gives you an idea of what other Australian companies are out there that are doing stuff for the planner community. Definitely, I'll leave a link to their website below, because they do stationery items, like I think they do like post-it notes and die cuts separately, as well as sticker packs as well. So if that's what you're into, definitely check out their website. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.